Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use Google Finance Investment Tracker. So let's begin. First, you can easily access this by going to the official website to google.com/finance, or you just look for Google Finance and press on the very first link that will show up on the search results. So just like this one. Click on it. Then this is what the homepage looks like. You just need to click on this section, click on sign in. I have my account already signed in. And once you have successfully selected the correct Gmail account, you will get back to this page. And the very first thing that you need to do is click on your watch list. All right. Click on it. So this is where you monitor everything in one single screen. So you can easily add investments here. Like for example, I have here Google. You can click on the plus icon and just type in any investments you would like to include here. For example, Bitcoin, etc. But you can also create a portfolio to view your investments in one place also, instead of just creating a bunch of lists. So create and click on this icon. Just give it any reference name you like that you can easily identify whenever you look at it. So anything will do. Let's just say a portfolio one. Okay, just for example, right? Just click on save. Once done, this is what it looks like. You can now click on add investments. Same as before, you can add any investment on stock. For example, I'm going to choose Tesla. As an example, this one, you need to enter the quantity that you purchased, the purchase date, which is very important. For example, I'm just going to select random dates. And here you should have the option to click on save and add another, or click on save over here if you are done. So once done, just click on it and it will show all of the stats here by the time you've done the purchase. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. This is mostly the basics and how you can get things moving around immediately. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.